Now, when we talk about damp areas, we're talking about places where water is running and where water is draining. The kitchen is one of those damp areas. There's a lot of places where you can see issues with water. The kitchen sink for one. The garbage disposal. Always take a look at your garbage disposal. Make sure water's not running through it. That is out the bottom of it underneath. Very common issue. Another area of concern, of course, is the dishwasher. The dishwasher fills with water and it can leak over time. Keep an eye around the dishwasher to make sure there's no water leaching out, and also keep an eye on the inside of the cabinet and make sure that that's not swelling up because of the water from the dishwasher. The dishwasher also drains, and if your drain is clogged and the dishwasher can't let the water out, again, you'll have some trouble with that as well. Another common area of concern is the refrigerator, the ice maker, and of course the water dispenser. You won't see the water dispenser leak or break until water comes leaching out the back. Sometimes if you're away all day and it's running, there could be some real problems. So keep a close eye on your refrigerator. The bathroom, of course, is another place of concern when we're talking about where water's running or where water's draining. Here under the sink, we always take a moment to look at the valves that supply the water along the floor, and here you can see there's a little bit of staining that had happened from before. We take a look at the drain and make sure that nothing is wet under there. Take the time to take a look at your water heater every now and again. The water heater, of course, is full of water. It can leak. It can leak at the joints where the water goes in. It can leak where the water comes out. There's a pressure gauge that lets water out when the pressure gets too high. That can be stuck. There's also a place where you can drain the water from the water heater. Not to mention, when water heaters get old, they will leak. So take a look and make sure that there's no standing water around your water heater. Water runs and drains almost daily in a laundry room. Always keep an eye on the laundry supply center. This is where the cold and the hot go into the laundry, and of course the drain comes out, all in one area. This is very convenient because if you see a drip or a drain, you can see something going on. When you leave for any extended period of time, be sure to just turn those valves off just for safety. So just to recap, whether it's in the bathroom, the kitchen, by the water heater, or here in the laundry room, keep an eye out for any drips, any stains, and any little problems, and take care of them before they become really, really big problems. For this healthy home, I'm your Mr. Handyman, Dennis McGee.